fitness enthusiasts and future iron warriors. Let's talk about something that's going to pump up your enthusiasm and your muscles: free weight training. Forget about those intimidating machines for a moment and let's dive into the liberating world of free weights. You'll soon discover that this form of training offers a multitude of benefits that go beyond just building muscle. First things first, let's break down what free weight training actually is. It's all about using dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, and even your own body weight to perform resistance exercises. Unlike machines that guide your movements, free weights force you to balance and stabilize, which engages more muscles and helps improve coordination. One of the biggest perks of free weight training is that it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, you can tailor your workouts to your goals. Looking to sculpt your muscles? Check. Want to boost your strength? Check. Need to improve your overall fitness and burn some fat? Check and check. Free weights can do it all. Let's talk gains, shall we? When it comes to building muscle, free weights reign supreme. Why? Because they recruit more muscle fibers. Think about it, when you're bench pressing with a barbell, you're not only working your chest but also engaging your triceps, shoulders, and even your core to stabilize your body. That's a full body workout right there. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about those machines at the gym? They look so fancy. Sure, they may look impressive, but they often isolate specific muscles and don't engage your stabilizing muscles as effectively. With free weights, you're not just isolating, you're integrating, making your workouts more functional for real-life activities. Another fantastic benefit of free weight training is the flexibility it offers. You can do it at the gym, in the comfort of your home, or even outdoors. All you need are a few basic tools, and you're set to go. Plus, you're not limited by fixed, predetermined motions. You can adjust your exercises to suit your unique body mechanics and any limitations you might have. Let's talk about the big F word, functional strength. Free weight training doesn't just make you look good, it makes you feel good and perform better in your daily life. Whether it's lifting groceries, playing with your kids, or even just getting out of bed, your improved strength and stability will be there to support you. Did I mention that free weight training is fantastic for fat loss? When you engage multiple muscle groups during your workouts, your body burns more calories both during and after the session. So, if you're aiming to shed some extra pounds, free weights should be your new best friend. Speaking of friends, let's not forget the camaraderie that often comes with free weight training. It's a welcoming community where you can find support, advice, and inspiration. Whether you're high-fiving your gym buddy after a PR, personal record, lift or swapping workout tips online, you'll feel like you're part of a tribe that encourages and empowers each other. In conclusion, free weight training is a dynamic and rewarding fitness path that offers a multitude of benefits beyond just building muscles. It's versatile, effective, and adaptable to various fitness levels and goals. It enhances your functional strength, helps with fat loss, and fosters a sense of community among fellow lifters. So, if you're looking to unleash your inner strength and experience the joys of free weight training, grab those dumbbells, head to the gym, and get ready to embark on a transformative fitness journey that's as liberating as it is empowering.